Law enforcement from the 5 cities area are coming together this week to practice how to maximize their efficiency in high-stress situations. I'm your Arroyo Grande community reporter, Michaela Richardson, and I followed along as they trained at Calvary Chapel. What law enforcement officers from Grover Beach, Arroyo Grande, and Pismo Beach did today may save lives in the future. They joined other first responders from the 5 cities area for emergency response training. If a real-life tragedy strikes our community, they need to be ready, and they need to move quickly.
So we focus on our response and how do we handle that as an issue. We know that when lives matter, seconds count.
Police are taken through drills to realistically represent emergencies in the community, with a focus on protecting soft targets like churches and schools. I spoke with the lead pastor of Calvary Chapel, where one training was conducted.
If someone is wanting to be malicious, if they want to hurt people, these would be one of the places that they would come. And so I just believe that it's very important to be aware of that, but also to allow our law enforcement to be able to train, to be able to, help us and protect us and even save us.
One of the exercises included solidifying effective communication among dispatchers and the hundreds of emergency workers who would likely respond in a large-scale event.
When the actual incident occurs, there's not a guessing game of how we're going to do this. We have a clear set of guidelines that we follow, so that way when the incident occurs, we're not spending minutes trying to figure out how we're going to do something. We can jump into action and save lives.
Pastor Navarez says as a resident of the 5 cities, watching this training makes him feel more comfortable in public spaces.
Just knowing that law enforcement they're prepared, they're going to respond quickly, and they're going to know exactly what to do and how to address the situation.
Sergeant Goodman says the public should not be worried if they see an increase in law enforcement around the training areas. In Arroyo Grande, Michaela Richardson, KSBY News.